the value to Vitale is basically the difference between those two.
That's cash out.
In other words, that is it's a sort of, well, not profit. Well, you can sort of kind of look. It's the savings.
Dr. Morgan, I'm getting a different number. Is that 57?
All
Yeah.
again.
57,367.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
So,
Is that what you're getting?
Oh, yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
369, 62, plus or minus.
Wait, why's it different?
Payment 25 and payment 57,366. Yep, not bad. Too fast. Okay, 367.56. All right. 367. 67.56. Okay. Okay, it's 29,836.80 would be the value of the assumable loan. Does that make sense? Now, here's the thing. Does that mean that Vitale is going to be willing to pay Michael $29,836.80? No. It means he would be willing to pay him a portion of that, potentially, to assume that loan, okay? Or he could just simply look at it as, whoo, you know, I basically just saved myself, you know, $29,000.
Wouldn't
Okay.
that depend on the motivation? For instance, let's say I'm sitting on a property, you know, that's good, and he really wants it, then I can force him. Whereas conversely, if I'm suffering financially, I can lose
No,
it.
that's absolutely true. So the point being is, this could also be just an extra, another way for you to get extra money out of Vitale, is that you're basically saying to Vitale, hey, I'm going to sell you my property. I'm going to let you assume my mortgage, you know, which is $87,204. But I know what the real value of my mortgage is because I've looked out there in the market and saw the best that you could do or anybody else can do is a 6% interest rate. So I know that the value of my assumable mortgage is $29,000. So give me 10 grand. You
And that
know.
would be the yield maintenance, that
Whoops.
10,000?
What, sorry?
Would that 10,000 be the yield maintenance?
No. The 10,000 would just simply be a payment that Vitale makes to Michael for the purpose of buying the assumable mortgage.
I see where you're
During
going.
during the period of like the 5 years that you have calculated, well, Michael has been making those payments, right? So he's out like $22,000 already for making those payments in those 5 years. Does that get calculated in that 29 or no?
No, that's irrelevant because those 5 years have passed.
No, because he put 25 years there.
Yeah, because this is only based on 25 years.
Yeah, I was just calculating.
No, but I mean, it's irrelevant because it's not part of the transaction.
Okay.
All we're doing is we're trying to value what the remaining value is of the assumable loan for the remaining 25 years. Now, if we had said what is the value for the full 30 years, if literally he had gotten the 30-year mortgage and then the very next day he decides to allow him to assume it, then that would have been over the 30 years.
But the interest rate would still be the same, though.
Sorry, what?
You would be assuming that the interest rate would still be the same because the very next day.
Well, okay, let's say that he got a below market interest rate because he's a veteran.
Gotcha. Okay.
Or some other whatever it might be. Okay? Right? Okay, so once again, make sure that I'm clear on this. So, this is the maximum value of the assumable loan. Okay? Is everybody clear on that? Okay? Any questions? Okay. All right, let's do the quiz.
Hey, I have my first beer before 12. No, I'm going to football game. However, if anybody that's trying to stand in my way, they will get run over.
The actual cost of
It'd be like that race 2000.
Oh, okay, that's.
I might have one better. Give me two.
Oh, I thought there was something else in there.
No.
So, let's say,
All weekend.
even one more property is worth $5
Angry.
million. Remaining the balance in the mortgage, $400,000. So the difference in all of the I'm selling at $500,000.
Well, you might also ask for a cash component of that difference.
Okay, so the buyer, he's gonna come up with his own cash, or he can finance that part?
It could finance that part.
Okay.